Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Bonfire app so you're able to track your Bonfire tokens, see your passive income, and lots more. Anyhow, to get this application, it's actually just available on the App Store on your iPhones. So if you just head over to your App Store and search for it, you'll see this app right here, Bonfire app, and it's going to be for, like I said, tracking your Bonfire tokens. So you can just go ahead right here and download this. I'll actually throw a link in the description and in the comment section for you guys. Just go ahead and click on it, and then it'll bring you right to your App Store so you can download the app. But once you download the app, this is what you're going to see right here. So basically, you can view your Bonfire balance anytime, anywhere, easily track your passive earnings, and view up-to-date Bonfire market data. And the cool thing about this is, too, is you don't have to put your private keys in here or anything like that. So your Bonfire is going to be safe in your Trust wallet or your other wallets. All you have to do is put your wallet address in here, and then it tracks it for you, which is really cool. Anyhow, all you have to do is to start off with this is click on Let's Go. And then you can go ahead and create an account right here or sign in with an existing one. So if this is your first time, you want to go ahead and create an account. So you just click on create an account, and it's going to ask for your first name, last name, email address, and password. And you can confirm your registration. So if you just go ahead and put all this information in and confirm your registration, you will then be logged into Bonfire, and I'll show you guys what to do next. Now, once you're in the Bonfire application, this is going to be the main screen once you have your wallet added. And as you see here, I have 158 million Bonfire currently in this wallet that I'm showing in this application, as well as I've gained 240,000 in passive income with the Bonfire token. And you can see here, it shows the latest transactions. And then the next tab you'll see at the bottom here is going to show all the market data. So it's going to show like the current price, market cap, liquidity, holders, and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. The next tab is just going to be to buy Bonfire. So if you just want to go over to the exchange and buy some more Bonfire, you just click on Visit Exchange here, and it'll link you directly to PancakeSwap, which is pretty cool. And then the last tab here is going to be if you want to add wallets. Now, the cool thing about this is you can add as many wallets as you like, because as I said before, it's not going to actually need your private key. It's just going to ask for the wallet address, and then you can track multiple wallets, which is pretty cool. So you have two options here. You can add a wallet with a QR code or add a wallet manually. So if you have access to the QR code, you can just go ahead and do that. But if you need to add your wallet manually, all you have to do is just head over to like your Trust wallet or MetaMask, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So for example, here I'm just on my Trust wallet. So if you just head over to the Bonfire token here, and all you have to do is copy this address right here just by clicking on copy, and then you head back over to the Bonfire application. And all you have to do here is click on add wallet manually, put the wallet address in, and then just name it. So you can just name it whatever, Trust wallet or whatever you would like. And then just click on add at the bottom here, and then it will add it to your Bonfire application here, which is really cool. And then you're able to track everything. But yeah, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys a little bit about this Bonfire application and how to add your wallet to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.